Someone's excited.
Hey everyone, I'm Yusuf and I'm addicted to motorcycles. Well, hey Yusuf. Right. In all seriousness though, I love motorcycles. And by saying I love, it's an understatement. I'm addicted to motorcycles. In this video, I will have you with me as I get my first bike and I'm so damn excited.
Someone's excited.
Join me in my adventures as I become a full-blown motorcycle vlogger. In this channel there will be a lot of adventures in the near future. Don't miss on that and make sure to hit that like and subscribe to support your boy Yusuf and this channel, Ride with Yusuf. Let's get it going!